So we just parked the car. We are heading to our hotel. We are staying at Mont Saint-Michel, which is this super cool medieval castle, abbey, church, everything. And I'm super stoked. We're gonna be staying inside the town. And yeah, working our way there now. Is that better than walking? Yeah, you having fun?
Get my way.
Slowly. Just riding up on skateboards, no big deal. How's it taste? Not good?
Super bitter.
Here's our bedroom. Just a quick room tour. And room tour done. Just the bed and a bathroom. But we are on the island and it has died down outside. So that's down the alleyway there. It's 6:30, so we just took an hour-and-a-half nap, which was super nice. I needed it. We're gonna go explore the city. Now that the traffic has died down, it is a lot better outside. And here is the bathroom. So nice mirror, sink, no counter space, shower, and bathroom. Courtney, you ready to go explore? All right. Yeah, the temperature's dropped. Oh yeah, we gotta put our masks on. Alright, so inside the city you gotta wear a mask. It's expected, so everyone's wearing masks. And outside you don't. So we just walked outside the front gate and now we're walking around the bay part where the tide comes in at. The tide's out right now, it looks like. And here's the outside wall. And it looks like the tide's coming in. So it's 7 o'clock now and we're on the back side, so not the main alleyway, and there's no one here, which is very nice. Just lots of seagulls. So we're walking through the back way. We'll come around the top and then back through down the main alley where all the souvenir shops and restaurants are. But we'll film it along the way, share with you what we see and find. Oh wait, guys, don't leave. You guys want to be on YouTube? Oh. So that's how they used to get stuff up to the top down this chute. Drag it up by a sled or slide it down by a sled. And here's the new way with a cable. So all the way up there. Alright, it's 9:30 sunset time, so we're running down to the water to get some good shots with the drone. And we're walking through these cool little alleyways. Courtney is dancing, so but we're rushing because we don't want to miss it.
Somebody had to go pee.
Somebody had to go pee. Oh, go down that way. That's super cool. Look how little that is. I don't even know if I'll fit with the bag.
Oh my god.
Oh, I got stuck.
That's crazy. You may not make it right here.
This is me fitting through here.
Look at that. Like,
It's real little. We did it. Nice. Alright, so now that the tide's gone down, we can get over here. There's this church thing that isn't connected to the rest of Saint-Michel. I wanted to check it out, but the water was not letting us earlier, and now we're here. So I think we'll just watch the sunset right up there. There's these stairs that are carved into the rock here. And the water came right up here. All that was underwater.
I don't know, probably like an old church. Because there's St. Michael up there.
A little bit of rock climbing. Courtney, you got it. Nice. There's the view. It's a little seal fishing. He was closer earlier, but I didn't get my camera out. Just eating fish and watching the sunset. Pretty cool how they just carved this out of the side of the rocks here.
Your mom probably would love this too.
My mom.
Like, look how pretty that is. Come on.
Okay. Oh, it's that small alleyway again. I can't even see you. There you go. Hello?
Did you just say here?
Yeah. Jeez, this thing's tiny.
That's what she did. I'm a wizard.
is here, and it's really nice. Heading up to the restaurant to get some breakfast. So we're the only ones here for breakfast this morning, which is pretty nice. So I'm gonna order some coffee for sure and see what's on the menu. How's that coffee? It's really good coffee. Alright, so it's 9 o'clock and people are starting to trickle in. So we're heading up to the room to grab our stuff, and then we're going to take the shuttle buses back today to the car instead of skateboarding and get there a little bit faster, and then we're off. Alright, we're leaving. Heading out. Courtney's got her phone, some water, some snacks. She'll make it to the car. I forgot how far it is to the car, but it's a ways. Alright, so we made it to the bus. We're the only ones on because we're leaving at 9 o'clock. Courtney's here. She took a tumble on the skateboard, so this is good for her. But we're heading to the car and getting out of here. You're almost here. Wow. And we are here. Skateboarded right up to the car, so that's nice. How was that journey? Good. No more falls?
You're not funny.
Alright, all packed up, and now we're gonna head off to Paris.
Whoop,